Alright, here we are. Week 2. It's our last sheet for week 2. Number 4. Start out with name the angle in 4 ways. By now you should really have this down. So let's see. It could be angle D. Angle EDC. Using the wraparound method. Wrap around the opposite way. CDE. CDE. And finally, angle 3. Next. We've had some good practice doing these. Let's do one here. We're trying to find the measure of IHZ. That's IHZ. That's this little angle right here. We know that ZHG is 26 degrees. ZHG, 26 degrees. And we know that IHG, the big angle here, is 78 degrees. So, measure of angle IHG, the big angle, is equal to the measure of angle IHZ, that's the angle we're trying to find, plus the measure of angle ZHG. When we go substitute our values, we know that IHG is 78 degrees. We're trying to find the measure of IHZ. We know that ZHG is 26 degrees. Now we just have to do a little equation solving here. Subtract 26 degrees from both sides, and we end up with 78 minus 26. 70 is 52 equals the measure of angle IHZ. We're all set. Okay, let's take a look at the back side. Let's see here. Simplify each expression. All right, simple distributive property problem. 7 times 3x is 21x. 7 times a positive 9 is plus 63. Let's do a little equation solving here. All right, we've got n plus 7 divided by 14 equals 1. So we've got this quantity, this amount, n plus 7. Whatever n is, we add 7 to it, and we've got that amount there. We're dividing it by 14, so what we're going to do, and I'm just going to write this over on the side, times 14. That's just a little, this is what we're doing to both sides of the equation. Okay? Got something divided by 14 equals 1, so we're going to multiply both sides by 14. We end up with 1 times 14 is 14. And whatever this is, divided by 14 times 14 is just that number, whatever that is. Now, we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. Just a little note there about what we're doing. And we've got, let's see, 14 minus 7 is 7, and n plus 7 minus 7 is just n. So n is 7. Let's go back and check. 1 equals n is 7. Plus 7 equals, or over 14, sorry. So 1 equals 7 plus 7 is 14 over 14, and 14 over 14 is simply 1. So check mark. You're in good shape. Let's see, and I think the rest of these on this page are all pretty similar, so have at it.